The next device we're going to discuss is a device that comes out of Russia again. It's called Denas, and again, it was developed by the Russian space program for use in outer space to replace Western medicine. And the reason they did this was because Western medicine drugs have a much more adverse negative side effects in outer space. So they needed to come up with a way to rapidly heal the body without drugs. So the whole Denas technology is a science to rapidly heal the body, get rid of pain, increase stem cells, help regenerate nerves, help regenerate discs in the back. It's a very powerful therapy for many, many different conditions. This is the Vertebra 2. This is the top of the line Denas technology that balances the entire nervous system. And what the patient does is they lay on their back, skin contact on 48 electrodes. The neck goes here, and then the tailbone goes down here, and all the ribs, the spine, all the nerves that come off the spine are being stimulated and balanced with this technology.
So when I lay on this, I'm going to feel all of them?
Yes, and I'll explain to you the pattern too. There's a certain pattern that it does.
So normally I would have this off, and I'm going to come up on this and put my neck where?
All the way to the top electrode.
Okay.
So you're kind of like a pillow right there. Yes.
Right there.
Yeah, and you're right in the center, and then we turn the device on, and we have different modalities we can use. We can do A, which is just kind of a general scan. B, we can actually target different zones of the body. C is different zones but for longer periods of time.
Mm-hmm.
And then D is more concentrated. So it's a smaller zone for a shorter period. So we can get very concentrated therapy in the specific areas of the body. And then E, which is the most comprehensive, is a 37-minute program, scans the entire body twice, and then identifies the exact area where the most blockage is, and then it treats it. So this part is actually a biofeedback session. So when you're actually on this device, there's several different sensations that you'll have. Initially, you'll feel a prickly kind of needly sensation running up and down your spine as you're lying on the device. And then what happens is your body starts to get used to that. It actually feels kind of pleasant. It's like this vibration that goes up and down, so it's very soothing movement. And just that movement of the electricity up and down the spine creates this sense of relaxation. And eventually, after about 10 minutes, the patients will fall asleep or get very, very relaxed. Okay, so it's similar to acupuncture in that way, but there's no needles, which we like because we don't have to puncture the skin. There's no danger. In addition to that sensation, you also feel it spread out into other parts of the spine, into the rib cage, all the way down to the tailbone, all the way up into the neck. It's a very comprehensive treatment. And the overall sensation and end effect is deep, deep relaxation and deep pain relief. We've had patients who literally were scheduled for back surgery who after just several sessions on the vertebra were able to cancel their back surgery because they felt so much relief. This is a very powerful tool. For chronic conditions, it's recommended that you do 12 to 20 sessions over a period of several weeks to actually resolve conditions. People that have had lifelong scoliosis have had it corrected after 12 sessions on the vertebra. So everyone's different. Sometimes it could take less, sometimes more, but the technology and the science behind this device is from decades, like I said, from this Russian space program. And basic theory is electricity actually feeds the body. It's actually a form of energy that helps energize and heal the body. So the vibration of the frequency with the electricity combine to relax, heal, and regenerate all the cells in the nervous system. There's different versions of the Denas technology. We're going to have both at the retreat. The most comprehensive is called the Vertebra 2, which is the latest technology out of Russia, which uses biofeedback technology to actually read your nervous system and specifically identify where there's blockages. and then it treats that area to unblock the nervous system and the meridian system. So that device we'll be using, again, as much as you'd like to use it at the retreat. Again, typical treatment time is about 40 minutes, and you can do it once or twice a day as you need to. Okay, this is called a PCM6. This is the handheld version of the Denas, and this is very good for treating specific areas of difficulty. Any chronic pain syndromes in the joints, the muscles, the nerves, the organs, everything can be treated with this device. It's very comprehensive. It has programs that actually treat everything. If you look, there's a whole protocol list of almost any condition you can think of. And so this device is, I would consider to be almost a miracle healing, because the cool thing about this device is the minute you put it on the body, the patient starts to feel relief, which is amazing. So you'll get to play with this device as much as you'd like to at the retreat. This vibration, this frequency, 7720, what it's doing is it's stimulating the nerves and actually also sending signals to the brain to produce neuropeptides, which are the body's cornucopia of healing chemicals that heal wherever you place the unit. So in this case, we're working the brachial plexus, which works on the arm, the shoulder, the neck, all that whole region. If there's any injury or spasming in the muscle, what this vibration does is very powerfully releases it and clears the nerves. So people feel a lot better. How do you feel just from that little treatment? How's it feel?
That was intense.
Yeah. But how does your shoulder feel
It
now?
feels more open.
Yeah. So it opens.
That's gonna help. I have that pinching from studying too long.
Yeah. So this opens up the nerves down the arm, and it clears the meridians, and it also, like I said, it stimulates the brain to produce neuropeptides that heal wherever there's an injury. And it's also stimulating stem cells. So there are cases of people with herniated discs that on MRI, it actually shows the discs are regenerating over a long period of time of using it daily.
Rama